Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, in partnership with ECOVACS, we will be comparing three prominent RoboVac models, the Deebot X2 Omni, the Deebot T20 Omni, and the Yeedi Cube. Each device will offer unique features catering to various user needs and preferences. We'll be assessing their cleaning capabilities, technological advancements, convenience, and affordability to help you make an informed decision. If you're interested in any of the models in this video, the links will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's jump right in. First up, the Deebot X2 Omni. The Deebot X2 Omni is a cutting-edge, all-in-one RoboVac designed for users who demand the best-in-class cleaning experience with the most advanced features and technologies. The Deebot X2 Omni stands as the epitome of technological advancement and well-equipped cleaning. Its standout features include the following. First up, we got our AINA mode. This stands for Artificial Intelligence Navigation, and this vacuum integrates reinforcement learning and deep learning technology to offer advanced cleaning intelligence in navigation and obstacle avoidance. Next, it's equipped with dual laser LiDAR navigation. With embedded laser navigation technology, the X2 Omni offers precise, reliable, and wide coverage during cleaning. Moving right along, powerful cleaning. With a robust 8,000 PA suction capability, this vacuum guarantees a deep clean across different floor surfaces. This suction power is the highest we've ever seen, surpassing the average vacuum that comes in right around 3,800 PAs, making it more than twice as powerful. Next up, we can't forget about auto lift mopping. The innovative 15mm auto lift mopping function customizes the cleaning process for carpets, ensuring your carpets stay dry. It's worth noting too, the typical mop lift only measures 7mm, so often insufficient to prevent the mop from touching the surface of your carpets or rugs. Can't forget too about the compact but almighty Omni station. They've shrunken the size down from the previous X1 Omni, and this station offers hands-free experiences with auto emptying, auto water refill, hot water mop washing, and hot air drying functionalities. For users seeking top-tier cleaning performance with state-of-the-art technologies, the Deebot X2 Omni is the ultimate choice, offering unmatched cleaning precision and efficiency. Next, we have the Deebot T20 Omni. The Deebot T20 Omni is a cost-effective flagship all-in-one RoboVac targeting users seeking practicality and affordability without compromising powerful cleaning abilities. The Deebot T20 Omni's robust cleaning capabilities include, first up, the DTOF vision and laser fusion navigation. This device employs real-time 3D scanning and detection utilizing infrared laser emitters and cameras to avoid objects on the ground. It features precise obstacle avoidance, quick mapping, multi-floor map management, and intelligent cleaning path planning. You also have intelligent mopping. So this utilizes 131 Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, 9mm mop pad lifting, and OZMO turbo mopping for effective deep cleaning on your floors. Next, we have the all-in-one Omni station. So this features auto mop wash, auto mop dry, and a detachable cleaning base for really easy maintenance. We also have a deep cleaning system. So the Deebot T20 Omni boasts 6,000 PA suction power and a rubber brush for efficient cleaning. Its edge deep cleaning function enhances corner cleaning to ensure thorough cleaning of those hard to reach areas. If you're a budget-conscious consumer desiring a high-performing robot vacuum with hot water washing and mop lifting features, the Deebot T20 Omni combines affordability with powerful cleaning capabilities. And last but not least is the Yeedi Cube. So the Yeedi Cube is an entry-level RoboVac designed for users looking for an affordable and practical solution to meet basic daily cleaning needs. The Yeedi Cube offers simplicity and affordability with the following key features. First up, high efficiency vacuuming. So this provides effective cleaning performance suitable for various floor types with 5,100 PA suction power and dual edge cleaning brushes. Pick and place. With the unique design featuring a built-in handle, simply pick up with one hand and take to other floors or spots around your house to clean. Next, it's self-sustaining, so enjoy self-emptying, self-washing, and self-drying. Vacuuming and mopping has never been easier as it can empty, wash, and dry itself with hot air for convenient mop maintenance. Next, enjoy high-quality mopping. Utilizing a 1-liter water tank and 2,500 times per minute sonic mopping for thorough and efficient cleaning of your floors. Next, it offers quick spot cleaning. So this functionality is targeted for cleaning specific areas. So for users seeking an entry-level RoboVac at an affordable price, the Yeedi Cube offers essential features for daily cleaning needs while keeping costs low. In summary, the Deebot X2 Omni, Deebot T20 Omni, and Yeedi Cube cater to different consumer needs. The Deebot X2 Omni excels in advanced technologies and powerful cleaning, making it ideal for users who prioritize those cutting-edge features. The Deebot T20 Omni strikes a balance between cost effectiveness and high performance, offering practicality without compromising on cleaning abilities. Meanwhile, the Yeedi Cube provides an affordable and basic cleaning solution for users with essential cleaning needs. Consider your priorities and budget when choosing the RoboVac that best suits your requirements.